Coach Cheng Giao, andito sa press room for the post-game press con. Coach Cheng, talk about yung outside shooting nyo and weird, parang tayong a PBA record daw ito. Just talk about that, pati yung second quarter ninyo.
Hindi namin masyadong iniisip yung mga record. No? We just try to play our game, be consistent with our style of play. We try to give our rookies some live game experience today. So we try to give them extended minutes and try to rest our regular guys for for future battles. And we have 7 wins. 7 wins assures you of a quarter spot. So pwede na kaming mag-isip ngayon ng twice to beat. No? So ang kwenta namin sa twice to beat, mga 9 na panalo. So kailangan pa ng mga 2 panalo para maka twice to beat kami. So yun lang nasa isip namin. Aside from yung kanina, I thought I could take the risk of playing our rookies more minutes and give them game experience, no, para tumibay sa future.